They're regen. Just a question, are you allowed to have damage indicator mods on here? Oh god.
No mods are allowed.
Oh, okay.
Fucking hell, donut man.
Look, watch it. Look, he just like randomly regen!
I didn't get that. Double kill. Come on, come on, come on, come on,
Watch
come on.
it once, he'll stop right away. 2 seconds, and then... Alright, watch this, watch go down. Look, he's not on fire!
Right, come on, I want to see how long you actually stay on fire for. Right, come on, I want to hit you once.
Alright, wait. I'm gonna go behind him, so...
Come on.
Look, watch. Oh,
Yeah.
look, he stopped again!
Yep.
Told you it was regen.
I'm back.
Right, we just recorded someone having hacks.
Oh.
There we go. Yeah, they're definitely regen. Now, if I hit... come here, Blake. If I hit you, let's see how long you stay on fire for. Yeah, he has regen. There we go, guys. GG. Regen hacks. Ban him. Someone ban him, please.
Who? Who does?
And he's just turned them on. Bye, guys.